depot in a couple of minutes. The porters will come out and they'll take off baggage that is not continuing north. So if you are ending your trip in Kansas City, you can claim your bag from the porter in just a couple of minutes after we pull in. For those of you that are continuing north to Minneapolis, Des Moines, this is still your bus. You will be getting off here though while they clean and fuel the bus. Everybody will be getting off. However, you'll be the first ones back on if you are lined up behind door number 8. Door number 8, you'll be reboarded in 25-30 minutes, and you'll be continuing north with a new driver will be taking this bus to Minneapolis. And that also means that if you're continuing north, you can leave your personal belongings on the seats or in the overheads. I might warn you that occasionally the cleaners have trouble distinguishing between trash and a sack that looks like trash. So if you have something like a lunch for later on that's in a plastic sack,